A single person with no camera, no editing team and no video production background is now making real money using AI generated videos. Tools like Veo 3 and Gemini can create entire video clips with sounds, motions and realism just from a text prompt. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you exactly how these tools work and the real ways people are turning them into income right now. Now let's quickly understand what these tools actually are. Veo 3 is a Google's AI video generation model. Just type a description and it creates a short video clip completed with realistic motion and even native sound and dialogues. Gemini Omni is Google's newer, more advanced system. It can take text, images and even existing videos as input and generate or edit video from all of that combined. Think of it as Veo but smarter and more flexible. Video generation currently needs a Gemini Advanced subscription, but you can try them out by using daily credits on Google Flow. Now let's actually create something. Starting with Veo 3, inside the Google Flow, open Google Flow, then tap on the New Project option. Now adjust the settings for the video. Now choose Veo. Now type your prompt. Be specific. Describe the scene, the camera movement, lighting and the mood. For example, I am giving a prompt like a drone shot flying over a busy New York street at sunset. Warm cinematic lighting, people walking, honking, traffic sounds. Did you notice I gave it a camera angle, a setting, lighting and sound? That level of detail matters. Vague prompts give vague results. Simple prompts give simple results. In under a minute, Veo gives you a short video clip complete with matching sound. Now let's look at Gemini Omni. The difference here is you can also upload an image or an existing clip along with your text prompt. Just say you have a product photo, upload it and then type animate this product with a slow rotating camera, studio lighting, subtle background music. Gemini Omni takes your image and brings it to life as a video. You can also ask it to edit a video you already generated just by describing the change in the plain language. No timeline, no editing software, just conversations. You know the fastest way to start earning is freelancing. Businesses on Fiverr and Upwork are paying for AI generated videos. A 1-minute explainer video can go for 4 to 15,000 rupees. A product promo video is similarly priced. Multilingual versions of the same video can charge even more. Just create a Fiverr or Upwork profile, list a specific service, and actually create 2 or 3 sample videos using Veo or Gemini Omni. Use them as your portfolio. This is the quickest path to your first payment. Some freelancers get their first paid project within 2 to 4 weeks. Now let's moving on to the second option. Build a faceless YouTube channel. Just pick a niche that pays well, like finance, education and history channels tend to earn the most per 1,000 views because advertisers pay more in those categories. This is not overnight money through. Most channels take 6 to 12 months to hit YouTube's monetization requirement, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But once you cross that line, AI generated faceless channels can genuinely earn anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000 per month, especially once you add affiliate links and sponsorships on the top of ad revenue. You can also earn money by creating short ad clips for brands on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, selling stock footage on platforms like Storyblock and Motion Array, personalized videos like wedding invites or birthday greetings made for individual clients. None of this need a big team, just you, a good prompt, and knowing where to sell. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.